Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Quickly, I'm going to show you how to set up Mailgun. Mailgun is an email platform that allows you to do a lot of things when it comes to email. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to be using Mailgun as a routing platform to route my emails so that when I want to send out emails, the email is going to go through Mailgun's API. So, for you to do that, you need to have an account with Mailgun. So click the get started for free. But I already have an account, so I'll go to the login page and log into my account. So on logging in, you will be greeted with the Mailgun page. So for you to set up this business email, you need to add your domain to the Mailgun's API. So for you to do that, you go to sending, add new domain, then you need to copy your domain name. You need to copy your domain name and paste it there. Then you need to choose your region, maybe US or EU. Um, I'm going to go for this 2048 advanced DKIM settings. So you will say add a domain. So yeah, you'll be asked to verify your DNS. So the first thing you want to do, I'm using Cloudflare, so I will click on. I'm going to add a test record in Cloudflare, DNX, add record, test record. So you can drop the name or you use at. So quick one. Let's be fast about it. Another test record. So when you click on add, when you want to add the domain, yeah, the Mailgun is going to give you some piece of records. So it's either you go to your if you are using cloud, if you are using Cloudflare, go and add them like this. Make sure you add them exactly like this to your hosting panel. Or if you are using an external hosting, add them exactly like this. Then make sure the CNAME is set to DNS only. Okay. So when you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is then you come here to SMTP and create add new SMTP user. So you enter your email acronym, maybe is admin at so. Then you can decide to do automatic password creation or manual. But if you do automatic creation, you are going to see the password here below. Then you can click on copy. Then you can use this SMTP server to relay any messages. For example, you can use it on panels like STR panel where you are sending an email, but it's not the deliverability is not too good. So I told you the other time that we're going to test why you should use Mailgun. This website, Mail Tester here. So I'll copy this email. I'll come to here. Then I'm going to paste it here. So I would type test. Then I want to generate some random. test. Right. So let's test this. Let's test Mailgun services. Let's see how good it is. So what happen is I route my custom business mail to receive mail from to receive mail via the routing section. Then I allowed Gmail to be my custom sending location. Okay, so you can see that the test score is 10 by 10. Most of these services, like Send in Blue, they give you a very, very poor test score. So the reason why I personally will vouch for you to make use of Mailgun is because of this test score. Like